This Excel tip is regarding the printing of Excel worksheet in A4 sheet or A3 sheet. Here option 1 is first among the other 5 options. Here, there is a typical spreadsheet where the columns with horizontal total and vertical total are outside the printing margins. In some cases, more columns and rows may come outside A4 or A3 sheet. In this specimen, the whole matter gets printed in 4 pages instead of one A4 sheet. The first step is to see any column width or row height can be reduced. In this example, the column's width is 4 and same may be reduced to 3 without affecting the visibility of title and total column. Similarly, regarding this worksheet, the row height is 15, which may be reduced to 14 without affecting the title. Now, after these adjustments in the width of columns and height of rows, you can see that the spreadsheet matter is printable in one A4 sheet. The second option is comparatively very simple. In case the matter not fitting in one A4 sheet or A3 sheet, first, you can go and select the option page layout where you need to select the icon print titles. Once you clicked on the print titles, a new window will pop up where you may select the option page. The page orientation will be portrait. Go to the next option, scaling, where you need to select the option fit to 1 page wide by 1 page. After the selection, go below and click on print preview. You can see that the entire spreadsheet matter got adjusted in one sheet. The third option is also very simple. In case the matter not fitting in one A4 or A3 sheet, first, you can go and select the option view. Under the view option, the page by default mention as normal, which you need to change to page break preview. Once you clicked on the page break preview option, the spreadsheet will display printable area in single page and which are printable outside the single page by a blue dotted line. In this case, you may keep the mouse pointer in the dotted line in the column side and drag to the end. Similarly, the row side also is to be dragged down. Certain cases, the row side get adjusted itself. Then, you may go to the print option and see the entire matter within one A4 or A3 sheet. The fourth option is only optional and test it gets printed in one sheet or not. For this, go and select Page Layout and then Margins. A drop-down menu will appear where select Custom Margin. New window will pop up, which will display free spaces available on the four sides of a sheet. Here, the top and bottom margin is 1.9 each and left and right sides by 1.8 each. Now, reduce the top and bottom margin by 1.4. Then, go to right side of the page and reduce it to 0.8 and left by 1.3. Now, you may go to print option and see the page fits in single sheet or not. If not printing in single page, again reduce the margin and keep the matter within one page. With regard to option 2 and 3, the whole matter gets shrink and page content looks slightly smaller compared to option 1 and 4. For option 1 and 4, the matter gets printed in its original size. In case the matter is too lengthy and you need to go for multiple pages, there are few settings to be done before going towards the printout. For this purpose, the specimen spreadsheet matter got extended to one more page. Now, the matter is not printable in 2 pages, but it got spread to 4 pages due to margin issue. Not only increase in pages, but the title of the spreadsheet is also missing in case print got adjusted into pages due to the length of the matter. In the second page, in case the title misses, the monthly figures may not be easily identifiable as there is no title. For keeping the title to the next page, first, you may go to Page Layout and then select Print Titles. A new window will open. In the window, select the last option, Sheet. There, under Print Titles, go to Rows to repeat at top and click at the upward arrow key. A small window gets opened. Now, by using the mouse, select the title to be printed in the subsequent pages. Then, go and adjust the margins to the right side to keep the printing matter into pages with title. After margin adjustments, you may check the preview and you can see that the matter will be printed into pages and the second page also carries the title as per the first page. Please don't forget to subscribe.